In this video, we're going to learn multiplying binomials using the FOIL method. The acronym FOIL stands for F, multiplying the first two terms, O, multiplying the outside two terms, I, multiplying the inside two terms, and L, multiplying the last two terms. Our example, we have 3y minus 5 times 7y plus 1. Using the acronym FOIL, multiplying the first terms, we're going to multiply 3y times 7y to give us 21y squared. For O, we're going to multiply our outside terms, which would be 3y times 1, which gives us 3y. I, for our inside terms, we're going to multiply negative 5 times 7y, which gives us a negative 35y. And L, for our last terms, we're going to multiply negative 5 times 1, which gives us a negative 5. Putting all of that together, we'll have 21y squared plus 3y minus 35y minus 5. Combining the like terms that we have in the middle, the y terms, we would end up with 21y squared minus 32y minus 5 for our final answer.